never try to puff on the left side. Put it up in your eyes. It's gonna be alright. I'm here and try. Roll your mind. You and try. Roll your mind. You and try. Roll your mind.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So as a lot of you guys may know, I recently went ahead and I installed CATLESS headers on my car, and basically one of the first things I realized after I had them installed and I was driving around was that they are way too loud. Like the CATLESS headers, the combination with only one resonator in my whole exhaust, the car is just so loud and raspy when I put my foot into it. When I cold started in the morning, my neighbors definitely hate me, and overall it's just extremely loud and it's a bit too obnoxious. So today I'm gonna go and quieten it down a little bit, but exactly how I'm gonna be quieting it down, I feel like it's a bit interesting. Let's go ahead and look at the parts I got. Alright, so the first piece of exhaust I went ahead and picked up was this Vibrant Performance Ultra Quiet Resonator. I found this on Amazon and I had amazing reviews. Those are the only good things I've heard about this. I mainly got this to try to mitigate the rasp a little bit and just quiet down the car overall. And if you guys could notice, there's only one. It's a 2.5 inch. Because if you guys know, these E46s, they come with 2 pipes all the way to the back of the car. So what I'm going to be doing today, I'm going to be installing a Y pipe and then going single exit. So after this resonator is in, I also went ahead and picked up a GREDDY exhaust system. In specific, just the muffler. The muffler goes from 2.5 inch to a 4 inch exit. And I went ahead and I picked up this muffler because it was actually one of the only mufflers I could find in the specific piping sizing I wanted, from 2.5 to 4 inch exit. And just look at the welds on this, they're so perfect. The quality seems pretty good. I'm honestly happy with the quality. With a 4 inch exit, my whole fist can really fit inside. Yeah, so now I'm gonna head to the shop and get these installed, and I'll keep you guys updated.
If you got what I need, then I'll take you on like a big deal. Legs you can unseal, key in ignition. Just keep me full like at a meal. Once in a while, feel alright. I know you like it, can't fight it. I might let you ride the wave. I'm New York and you're LA. Come together, feel the shock waves.
Alright guys, so it's been about a week since I got the car back, and I think it's a bit too quiet now. I think with the combination of the 2 resonators, since I still have the OEM main resonator, the bigger one that's still in the front of the car, and then plus because I added the Vibrant Ultra Quiet Resonator, I think it made the car too quiet. Like the car has no rasp whatsoever anymore, and just like inside the cabin, I can barely hear it anymore. So I'm basically just gonna go back and take off the last OEM resonator, and then hopefully after that, it'll sound good. But also just for you guys, I also got some clips what it sounds like right now before I go ahead and delete the last resonator. So here's some sound clips real quick. Alright guys, so the car's back in my possession now. And just from the drive here to this parking lot, I just basically found the closest parking lot I could find. I could already tell it sounds a lot better. Like even inside the cabin, I hear it much more. So I don't know if you guys can hear it, but this is how it sounds like idling right now. And even the idle, like it just sounds so much better. And that blast pipe right there. And there's also only one reason why I got a blast pipe, but that's because I expect the car to shoot massive flames, and I just want it to be one big massive flame. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and hear the new exhaust. I'm really curious on how it's gonna sound, especially in like the higher RPMs. So I'm basically just gonna start driving pretty normal, see how bad the drone is, because we did delete that main resonator, so I'm really curious on how bad that drone's gonna be. instantly I can already tell it's just so much quieter. Like, I'm honestly so surprised about how much that vibrant ultra quiet resonator actually made a difference to the exhaust. Because the car was so loud before, I thought even if I put that in, it wouldn't make much of a difference, but it actually made a massive difference. So we're driving pretty normal right now. Definitely between 2,000 and 3,000 RPM, there is some drone, but it's not too bad. It's still definitely less than what it was before. And just the tone, like it's like so hard to explain. It kind of sounds like a mix of like an E46 M3, but with like a slight hint of like a R34 out of like a GTR, like the RB26 motor. Just 2,500. My foot was like 50% down. Yeah, the tone is just so different. I've never heard an E46 sound like this. Wow, that sounds so much better. Oh my god. That sounds really good. And it's not like obnoxiously loud. Like, it's actually like such a good amount. It's the perfect amount where you can actually hear like inside the cabin, and it's not like the cabin's not too insulated where you can't hear it at all. Like, it sounds good. And at the same time, it's not too loud either. It kind of sounds like a VQ, like out of like the G35s as well, like a G35, like a 350Z. Kind of sounds like those motors as well. It gives it like a JDM type of hint of like noise. But it does sound really good now. And that rasp isn't there anymore. That rasp was like really annoying, I'm not gonna lie. When I had it on before, it was way too raspy. But now it sounds like really good. Sounds so much better. So, what do you guys think of the new exhaust? Driving the car around every day now, it's just much more livable. It's not as drony as it used to be. And on top of that, I feel like this current setup I have right now is a fairly unique setup because The tone itself, I haven't really heard any other E46 sound like how mine does right now. And on top of that, most people don't really get a single exit done on their E46. So overall, I'd probably say this is probably the best exhaust setup I've had on this car so far. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you guys have any questions, just leave them down below. We're more than happy to answer. But other than that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.